Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best removal tool is probably one of the most underrated gadgets for anyone with body piercings. Removing those tiny balls from your jewelry can be a real struggle, right? Well, today, we're diving deep into a tool that promises to make that process a whole lot easier and safer. We'll explore its features, how it works, and whether it lives up to the hype, so you can decide if it's the right tool for your piercing needs. Number 5. Vsnnsns 9 Style Piercing Kit. This kit from Vsnnsns includes everything you need for various piercings. It's designed for precision and ease of use, making the piercing process smoother. The tools are made of 316L surgical steel. This material is known for its durability and resistance to corrosion, ensuring a safe and reliable experience. This kit can be used for nose, septum, lip, tongue, eyebrow, belly rings, and ear dermal piercings. It provides the versatility to create a variety of looks. The kit includes piercing clamps and forceps. These tools are essential for a precise and controlled piercing procedure. Whether you're using it for jewelry or dermal piercings, this kit has you covered. It is a comprehensive solution for all your piercing needs. What we like. This kit offers a comprehensive set of tools for various piercing needs. It's made of surgical steel, ensuring safety and durability. If you're a beginner or someone who enjoys experimenting with different piercings, this kit provides everything you need to get started, making the process easier and more convenient. What people say. Being able to clamp the little balls with this tool really helped me, and I was able to unscrew it quickly. This is perfect. Especially if you have long nails. Extremely helpful for putting on and taking off difficult jewelry. Number 4. Lothee 2 PCS Piercing Barbell Clamps. Introducing the Lothee Piercing Barbell Clamps. This tool makes it easy to wear and remove your jewelry quickly. It's designed to fit most jewelry items. You'll receive 2 piercing barbell clamps in the package. They are small and compact, perfect for daily use and replacements. This ensures you always have a tool at hand. These piercing forceps are designed to fit various jewelry sizes. It helps you effortlessly grab and pick up your lip studs, labrets, and more. This makes wearing your jewelry effective. Made from reliable 316 stainless steel, the tools are sturdy and autoclavable. The corrosion-resistant material has a glossy and delicate appearance. It's built to last. Using the jewelry clamps is easy. Just hold the clamp and grab the studs or small trinkets. It saves you time and energy when wearing and removing jewelry. The jewelry clamps are packaged separately, making them a great gift. You can give these piercing tools to friends and family. It's a thoughtful way to show you care. What we like. These clamps are designed for quick and effortless jewelry changes. Constructed from durable stainless steel, they're built to last. If you're looking for a practical and thoughtful gift for a friend who loves piercings, consider these clamps. They will appreciate the ease and convenience they offer. What people say. You get 2 of these and they are so useful, especially if you wear long nails. This makes getting your jewelry to stay still while you put the ball on. It's very easy to use, and my threadless flatback earrings come out no problem on the first try. Works for my Medusa piercing. Number 3. Surgical Online Ring Opener and Closer Set. This 2-piece set is crafted from premium, corrosion-resistant stainless steel. It features a high mirror finish and is ultrasonically clean for long-lasting use in body piercing and jewelry work. Designed for sterile environments, this set is fully autoclavable. This ensures 100% hygiene and easy cleaning, making it a reliable tool for professionals. The ring opening pliers have a needle nose beak. This design allows for precision use and flexibility when opening and closing piercing rings. The pliers have extra grip notches in the handle. These features provide high comfort and flexibility during use, ensuring a secure hold on the ring. This versatile 2-piece set is perfect for professional body piercing and jewelry work. It's ideal for body piercing artists, tattoo artists, and piercing shops. What we like. This set is fully autoclavable, ensuring a sterile environment for all your piercing needs. The needle nose beak provides precision and flexibility. If you're a professional piercer or someone who prioritizes hygiene and accuracy, this tool set is a must-have, offering both safety and versatility. What people say. These are great for changing out jewelry at home. I had a captive bead ring in my tragus piercing and had wanted to change it out, but I couldn't do it myself. I didn't want to go to a studio to get it done either, so I bought these and it opened it right up easily. These tools have made it so much easier for me to change my piercings. Best tools to have for septum piercing and all. I use them to put in some gauged earrings. Worked like a charm. Well made and heavy duty. Number 2. Odontomed 2011 Ring Plier Body Piercing Tool Kit. This kit from Odontomed 2011 includes 2 essential pliers. They are designed for opening and closing jump rings and small loops. The kit features both a ring opening plier and a ring closing plier. These tools make it easy to work with various types of rings. These pliers are great for holding, opening, or closing jump rings and small loops. They are suitable for rings with a gauge of 3 mm or less. The kit includes a small ring opening plier and a small ring closing plier. These are perfect for body piercing and jewelry making. These tools are brought to you by Odontomed 2011. They are designed to be reliable and effective for your needs. What we like. This tool is specifically designed for opening and closing small jump rings and loops. It's easy to use and perfect for various jewelry tasks. If you enjoy making your own jewelry or need a tool for precise ring adjustments, this plier set will be your best choice, offering both convenience and control. What people say. Works great. This little set made it easy. Work as they should and work great. Been wanting to buy a set for easier piercing and changing jewelry, and these are great for the price. Number 1. 4mm Jaw Piercing Ball Removal Tool. Tired of struggling with your piercing jewelry? This tool is designed to make removing or inserting piercing balls quick and easy. It features a screw and unscrew mechanism, so you can easily twist off or tighten the balls. Made with high-quality stainless steel, this tool is built to last. It's durable and resistant to rust and corrosion, ensuring it will withstand frequent use. You can count on it for the long haul. This tool comes in 3 different sizes: 3 mm, 4 mm, and 5 mm. This makes it suitable for various types of piercings. Choose the size that best fits your needs. Need to work with dermal anchors? This tool can also hold them securely in place. This feature ensures a safe and secure process, minimizing the risk of injury or infection. Thanks to its high-quality stainless steel construction, this tool is made to last. It's designed to withstand frequent use and won't easily break or wear down over time. It's a reliable addition to your piercing kit. What we like. This tool features a screw and unscrew mechanism for easy ball removal and insertion. Made from durable stainless steel, it's built to last. If you're looking for a tool that simplifies the process of changing your piercing balls, this is the one, making the task quick, safe, and effortless. What people say. It works really well. Total game changer for me, better able to clean and insert my tongue jewelry. Super easy to use too. I couldn't get my Christina piercing out, this helped get the ball off. Compared to my dermal punch I bought off Amazon, these clamps worked perfectly. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.